Are you opening Adobe Acrobat Reader only to see a blank white or black screen? That can be frustrating, but the good news is it's usually easy to fix. In this tutorial, I'll show you several troubleshooting steps that can help restore Acrobat Reader and get your PDF files displaying normally. Let's get started. Start with the simplest fix. Close Adobe Acrobat Reader completely. If it isn't responding, use Task Manager on Windows or force Quit on Mac to end the application. Then restart your computer and open Acrobat Reader again. If Acrobat Reader opens but still shows a blank window, check for updates. Open the Help menu, choose Check for Updates, and install the latest version. Software updates often fix display-related bugs. Damaged program files can also cause blank screen issues. Open the Help menu and select Repair Installation. Let the repair process finish, then restart the application. If the blank screen continues, try disabling hardware acceleration. Open Preferences, select the Page Display category, and turn off hardware acceleration if that option is available. Then restart Acrobat Reader. Next, open a different PDF document. So if only one file displays a blank screen, the original PDF may be damaged or incomplete. Testing another file helps identify whether the issue is with Acrobat or the document itself. If nothing has worked so far, uninstall Adobe Acrobat Reader, restart your computer, and install the latest version from Adobe's official website. A clean installation can resolve persistent display problems, and that's how to fix the Adobe Acrobat Reader blank screen issue. In most cases, updating the software, repairing the installation, disabling hardware acceleration, or reinstalling the application will restore normal operation. If this tutorial helped, leave a like, subscribe for more software guides, and thanks for watching.